A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss new chapter probability introductions. So see, now today I will discuss the questions related to probability. So question is, a card is drawn from a pack of cards. A card is drawn from a pack of cards. Find the probability of getting a king or a heart or a red card. This is our question. So again I am repeating this question. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. We have to find out the probability of getting a king or a heart or a red card. Now see the solution. The total number of card, that is 52, and total number of king cards, that is 4, total number of red card or heart card, total number of heart cards, that is 13. Now probability of getting a king, or total number of red cards, that is 26. Now probability of getting a king, that is P of K, is equal to total number of king is 4 and total number of card is 52. Now similarly, probability of getting a heart card, that is P of H, we can write 13 by 52. Now similarly, probability of getting a red card, that is P of R, that is 26 by 52. 26 by 52. Now consider equation 1, consider equation 2, consider equation 3. So we have to find the probability of getting a king or a heart or a red. Now again we have to find the probability of getting king of heart, suppose. So see, now next steps, it's all probability of getting king of heart. So king of heart, you know, number of elements in king of heart whole upon number of element in S, and you know king of heart result is 1 and n of S is 52. Now probability of getting, suppose we are talking about heart of red, so n of heart of red whole upon n of S is equal to heart of red result is 13. So now this result will be 13 by 52, and now probability of getting, this is heart of red and now king of red. So you know probability of getting king of red, there are two reds, two king in red, so this will be 2 upon 52. Now consider equation 4, 5 and 6. Now probability of getting king of heart of red, king of heart of red. Now this is single elements, so king of heart of red n of S is equal to 1 upon, this is 52. Consider equation 7. This is equation 7. Now you know the formula. Probability of getting a king or a heart or a red. A king or a heart or a red. That is probability of king or a heart or a red. Now you will see this is the formula. Minus probability of king of heart minus probability of heart of red. So minus probability of king of red plus probability of king of heart of red. Now we have to put its value. So what will be the result? King of heart of red. So probability of getting king 4 by 52, and now plus P of heart result is 13 by 52. Now ready, you know, that is 26 by 52 minus, this is property of king of heart, and king of heart, you know, 1 by 52 minus heart of red, 13 by heart of red, result is 13 by 52, and now with negative sign, king of red, result is 2 by 52. 2 by 52 plus 1 by 52. This is the answer. Now we have to solve this. Expression is 4 by 52, 13 by 52, 26 by 52, 1 by 52, minus 13 by 52, minus 2 by 52, and now plus 1 by 52. This is minus sign. Now probability of king of heart of red, this is 52 LCM. Now what will be the result? 4 plus 13 plus 26 minus 1 minus 13 minus 2 plus 1 whole upon 52, and 13 plus 4 17. This is 13 minus 13 also cancel out, and 26 and minus 1 plus 1 is also cancelled, and this is 2. So what will be the result? 28 ये आपका हो जाएगा, मीन्स 28 by 52. Now from the table of 4, this will cancel out, so result is 7 by 13. 7 by 13 is the answer. 7 by 13 is the answer. Now this is the answer. See. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, now question is, one card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Pack of 52 cards. If each outcome is equally likely, each outcome is equally likely, calculate the probability that the card will be first diamond, second is not an ace, third is a black card, fourth is not a diamond, not a diamond, fifth is not a black card, not a black card. Now this is our question. So see, one card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. If each card is outcomes equally likely, each outcome is equally likely, then calculate the probability of that the card will be diamond, not an ace card, not a black card, not a diamond card, or not a black card, not a diamond, not a black card. So in this question, this is given a black card and not a black card. So see the solution. Now in this question, total number of card you know, that is 52. So total number of cards is equal to 52, and we have to find out diamond card. Now total number of diamond card, that is 13. Now we have to find out the probability of getting a diamond card. In this question, this is given a diamond card, not diamond card, this is diamond card. Therefore, question first part, probability of getting diamond card, that is P of D, what we can write? The selection of a single diamond card, that is 13C1. So 13C1 whole upon 52C1. This expression result will be 13 by 52, and now this result will be 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is the answer. This is question first part. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is not an ace. Probability of getting not an ace card. So not an ace card means ace card will be removed. So excluding ace card, what will be the result? You know, total number of ace card is 4. Now total number of card is 52 and total number of ace card is 4. So not an ace card. Result will be P of not an ace. We can write total number of non-ace card is 48. So selection of non-ace card out of 48, and this will be 42 C1. Similarly, this will be 48 by 52. After calculation, this result will be 12 by 13. Now this is the answer. See, 12 by 13 is the answer. Now I will come to the next question or next part. The next part is a black card. Probability of getting a black card. So a black card, how many black card is here? So you know total number of black card is 26. Now probability of getting a black card means we can write P of B and its result is total number of black card is 26. So the selection of single black card out of 26 whole upon total number of possible outcomes means total number of sample space is equal to 26 by 52. Result is 1 by 2. Now see. Now next part. Next part is not a diamond. Probability of getting not diamond card. Probability of getting not diamond card. So in case of not diamond card, we can write excluding diamond card. What will be the total number of card? There are 13 diamond cards. So 39 card will be here. And total number of card is 52. So 13C1 whole upon 39C1. This is 39C1 whole upon 52C1. This result will be 39 by 52, and this one can reduce from the table of 13. This will be 3 by 4. Now this is the answer. 3 by 4. Now fifth part is not a black. Not a black. In case of not a black, what we can say? Not a black. Total number of red card. We are talking about total number of red card. So not a black, in case you will count only red card. That is P of not a black P of not a black, that is equal to (26C1) whole upon 52C1. This is 26 by 52. Its result is 1 by 2. Now this is the answer. 26 by 52. Now this is completed. Now you can see